How to get backup code for two-step verification Roblox. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First go ahead and open Roblox app or website, and further make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the more option on the left side toolbar of his screen, and further tap on the settings option. You can see there. You will then see the option for security. Tap on that now. Scroll down to the two-step verification section and look for the backup codes tab. Tap on the generate option you see there, and you will further be required to enter the code sent to your authenticator app. So once you have entered the code, you will see a list of one-time use backup codes. These are unique and can only be used once. Save this code in a secure location such as a password manager or note-taking app, or writing them down on paper and storing them safely. When prompted for a two-factor authentication code, during login enter one of your saved backup codes in the verification code field. Each code can only be used once, so make sure to cross off used codes. So this is how you can get backup codes for two-step verification in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any query. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next video.